Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Stun Brothers weekly tutorial. In this week's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Riffle shuffle on a deck of cards. This is a very common and a very easy way for any beginner to learn how to shuffle a deck of cards. Before I begin, I just wanted to say that you should check out this channel down below before you leave this video. Alright, let's jump right in. There are 3 major steps in shuffling a deck of cards. Let's take a look. Step 1 is to split the deck in half. Step 2 is putting one half in each hand. Step 3 is to bend the cards in the middle and flick them at the table as both decks are overlapped slightly. And then there's that optional bridge move that I teach in another tutorial. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably having trouble with that last step that I mentioned. So let me help you out with that. With the help of this tutorial video and some practice, you should be seeing some results in about an hour. Alright, getting right into it, we're going to be using a fairly new deck of playing cards. I recommend that you try to use the same thing, as it is going to be easier for you to learn and practice on than, say, an old deck of Uno cards or something. Once you have a good deck for practice, go ahead and pick up half the deck. We'll be practicing with just one hand for now. And hold the cards with your thumb and middle finger at either ends of the cards. Then, still holding the half of deck of cards in your hands, go ahead and take your pointer or index finger and press the middle of the cards so that all the cards bend a good amount. You can also pinch the cards together with your thumb and middle finger to help you out. If your fingers aren't strong enough for this yet, it's okay. Mine weren't either in the beginning. I had to train them, which is most likely what you'll have to do as well. You can train your hands by either bending this stack of cards or by taking like a gift card or something and bending it the same way if you wanted something easier. Now that you have your cards bent, put them to the table and release them slowly. If you let them go all at once, you don't shuffle the deck very well. So instead, try to move your thumb ever so slightly to release a constant stream of cards. After practicing with your other hand too, you'll be ready to move on to the final step. With half a deck of cards bent in each hand, move them close together on the table so that they barely overlap when you slowly release them, so that you mix them well. This is a step where you may surprisingly fail a lot. If your cards are smaller and more stiff, this step will probably be harder for you. But don't give up, you've got this. Alright guys, that's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. And go ahead and go down below and check out Stun Brothers. If you want to learn how to bridge your cards, go ahead and check out this tutorial I made right here. Don't worry, I'll stay up for a few seconds. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.